To fix an anchor hole in drywall using joint compound, start by preparing a small amount of compound to a workable, creamy consistency and proceed with a controlled, layered application. Begin by cleaning the hole of any loose drywall paper or dust using a small brush or the tip of a utility knife so the compound adheres. Mix a golf ball-sized amount of ready-mixed joint compound or prepackaged powder with a few drops of water until it is smooth and holds its shape without running. For shallow anchor holes, use a flexible putty knife to butter the compound into the hole, pressing firmly to fill voids and feathering the edges at least 1 inch beyond the damage so the repair blends. For larger anchor sites that once held a toggle or molly, partially fill the cavity, then reinsert the anchor while twisting to push compound into the threads and surrounding gypsum. This creates internal support when it dries. Allow the compound to dry fully, which can take from several hours to overnight depending on humidity and thickness, and then sand lightly with a fine grit sanding block until smooth. Prime the repaired area before painting to seal the joint compound and match sheen and color with the existing wall finish. Common mistakes include overfilling the hole and leaving excess compound that dries with a raised bump, which you avoid by feathering the edges and sanding flush after drying. Another issue is applying load before the compound is fully cured, which weakens the repair. Always wait until the compound is rock hard and then test gently before reinstalling the fixture. A third problem is not packing compound into the anchor threads or void for hollow wall anchors, which causes a hollow repair and poor holding strength. To fix this, force compound deep into the cavity while twisting the anchor so the material bonds inside as well as around the anchor. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around repairs like drywall anchor fixes, and we host a discussion community where users share techniques and local referrals. We help homeowners find nearby contractors and help contractors find work by making those local connections and facilitating conversations.